Well, we've been here since day one. The first one 15 years ago, well, 14 and a half years. What we do is we do soft tissue work, we do chiropractic care, we evaluate some injuries. Years ago, we used to have to handle all the injuries on the mat, but now we were lucky enough to get EMS to help us out, probably past 5 years. So it's taken a lot of load off me. But basically, anything that happens out there, they'll come and see us and we'll deal with it. Well, what happens, people are accepting it more because doctors, and especially when we're dealing with sports, the athletes, they're the ones that drive it. Every NFL team has a chiropractor, and the Olympics coming up next week, it's going to be loaded with chiropractors. In fact, the person that's in charge of bringing the sports medicine team over to London for the United States is a chiropractor. So it's changed, it's more accepted. Chiropractors could add some soft tissue techniques that kind of will help with the athletics, muscle injuries and stuff like that. When you're talking about in the 70s, we just started getting insurance equality. So it kind of was like a trial and everything, but now we get full access to insurance. Some chiropractors on staff at hospitals. And like I said, many teams are using it, so it's way more accepted now. People understand it better, and that's the key. You got to understand what we do. Well, sometimes we get people from auto accidents. Sometimes we get them from sports injuries. Sometimes people wake up, they get the neck and back pain, and it could be acute, which means it just recently happened, or it could be chronic. But like I like to oppose other people and tell them, you don't have to have pain to see a chiropractor. We look at spinal alignment. So as I'm working on people here, these athletes, I'm telling them they're competing, so they're not really that hurt. But what happens is we look at their alignment, we look at muscle balance. If you let those things go for any length of time, they will lead to problems down the line. So we want to get more of a preventative aspect out there, and that benefits both the athletes and the average person. Well, my office is in Lyndhurst, New Jersey, and that's right outside of Giant Stadium, so it's pretty close to Manhattan in New York. I'm located at 528 Valley Brook Avenue in Lyndhurst. My phone number is 201-531-9400. And I have a website, Haley Health, that's Haley Health.com, and all my information is there. Now, I just want to add that these martial artists and these grapplers, I mean, we've seen it grow from the beginning, from 15 years ago to now, and it's unbelievable. All the support staff makes this event the way you see it now. It's top, probably the best in the world. And we appreciate everybody's health.